the Galley of the Sun. We're out here again with our Sunterra Argentine brasero grill, and I'm doing pork bellies today. But man cannot live on pork bellies alone.
Preposterous.
I know, I said it. But it's true. So we're gonna make an appetizer. We're gonna make some bacon double cheeseburger stuffed mushrooms. Let's get it going. All right, so over here I have already, as you saw in the intro, browned up some ground beef with some seasonings. You know, loyal viewers, I wouldn't do you wrong. All of the ingredients, their amounts, and the directions are down below in the description section, and you can find the recipe there if you want to make this, and you should want to make this. All right, so into a bowl goes my ½ pound of seasoned ground beef with some onions. In goes my bacon. In goes my diced tomatoes. I'm cheating, I'm using Rotel because I used all my tomatoes to make salsa Korea, or Carrillo. I still haven't figured out how to pronounce it right. Some diced up sweet onions, some shredded cheddar, some shredded mozzarella. I know you don't typically have mozzarella on hamburgers, but just to cheese it up a bit. Ain't nothing wrong with cheesy.
I'm right.
And some dill pickle relish. I am not a sweet pickle guy at all. I am definitely dill all the way.
He knows his shit.
With my grubby paws, I'm gonna get all that mixed together. That looks good. All right, we got the stuffing together, and I have several. I know the recipe says 16. I ended up with 19 out of the 2 packages I got, but I got some big baby bella mushrooms here. I've already removed the stems. Now we're gonna get those stuffed. Just level to the top of the mushroom. I don't want to go above because I have a few more things to add. All right, somehow, inexplicably, the Galley of the Sun, the Oasis, is out of ketchup.
Are you serious? You cannot be serious.
But that's okay. So normally I would take a tablespoon each of ketchup, mustard, and mayo, mix them together, and put a dab on each one of these mushrooms. We're just going to go with the mayo and mustard because that's what I got.
Logical.
Mix those two together. Like I said, a little dab on each one of the mushrooms. Then we're going to take some white American cheese, cut little squares just to cover the mushroom, top them, and then they go onto the grill. All right, the ground beef is already cooked. The bacon is already cooked. Now we're just putting these on the grill to get the mushroom tender and get the innards all warmed up. So you want to find a zone of your grill where you can hold your hand there for about 6 to 8 seconds before you have to pull your hand away because it hurts. That's where you're going to put these. And then just keep an eyeball on them. Once that top layer of white American is melted, that's a good indication that you're done. So here we go. Okay, so after a gratuitous, said that word right, I hope, shot of the cheese melting, we'll have the director out here to get some judgment. We'll see you then. All right, the mushrooms are done. Now we're gonna bring in an impeccable judge with great character. Not really, he's a Marine, but it's the best I could find. We'll bring in Stahl to tell us how we did. All right, sir.
So should I cut it in half or?
No, you can take the whole thing.
That's outstanding. Very outstanding.
So does it scream double bacon cheeseburger to you?
I mean, with that crispness of the cooked mushroom, that's really, really good.
Ah, fantastic. So there you go. If you're looking for an appetizer, when you're grilling, you can't go wrong with this. Hey, thank you so much for joining us today. Until we see you next time, fair winds and following seas.